To answer this question, first you have to peek at what's happening inside a neural network. Consider a shallow neural network with bias initialized with 0. During forward pass, the value of neuron in a next layer is calculated using sum of input times weight from previous layer neurons. This is how values of activation function updates, and the value of each neuron in a layer represents a different feature it learned from input. So what if we initialize every value of weight to 0 before feeding input to the network? What could possibly happen? Well, according to the same expression, the value of neuron will be 0, and after applying the activation function in it, it will become 0.5. Hence, the case is same with every neuron in the layer, so each one will hold the same value. And for the output, still the value is same because of weights. Now, the thing to notice here is the value of every neuron in the network is same, means every unit learned the same feature from input. Just because all values are same, during backpropagation, the calculation for weight updation will be same due to identical gradients. It means whatever weight would be here will same for every other value for this connection in the layer. And same for this layer too. And when you feed the next input, the values will change accordingly because again the values of activation functions are same, and due to that the values of weight will be same again. Hence, the network is following a symmetry. It will never learn a different feature and end up by learning a single feature for a single input. And you can prove it. Let's implement this network in Keras and see what happens. Import sequential from Keras model and dense from layers. Now create a sequential model with a hidden layer consist of 3 neurons of sigmoid type and initialize weight to 0. Now do the same for output layer, but only with 1 neuron. Let's take AND logic as input where the output would 1 when the both input will be 1. Now compile the network using mean squared error and optimizer of your choice. Fit the training data and iterate for 100 epochs. Now see the weights. They all are same for each layers. And when you predict, it will give almost same value for every different input. And in order to break this symmetry, we initialize weights randomly so that every unit learn different feature. Now here is a website which let you visualize what happens if you initialize the weight with 0. Choose the initialization 0 and hit the play button, and you can see that the loss isn't converging. But if you initialize weights randomly, then you can see the loss is slowly getting down and the model is successfully making decision boundary. The link of this website is in the description. You can check out to know more about weight initialization. And if you have still some doubt, use the comment section. For now, I have to go and stop gradient from exploding. So, thanks for watching.